So here is the app called Sideshift. So let's just take a look and earn money. Quite high in the charts. You know, quite positive ratings and going viral on TikTok. Sideshift, find part-time jobs and get paid fast. Number one app for Gen Z to earn money with flexible gigs. Looking for a way to earn extra cash between classes, weekends, during breaks? Welcome to Sideshift, ultimate student job app where you can discover, apply, and get hired for part-time jobs and side hustles with just one tap. No resumes, just fast, flexible work. Earn money your way, swipe, apply, get paid, one profile, unlimited apps. Fast, flexible gigs that pay, mobile first, social style experience, one tap applications, behind the scenes job videos, in-app interview schedule, and get hired instantly for operated jobs built for students, creators, and hustlers, remote plus local job options. So how is this app different from thousands of other part-time jobs? Well, this is like college primary app, as I understood. So this is when you're a student in college, or like you're Gen Z, you're teenager, kind of, and you want to earn some part-time job, but while you're still studying your bachelor's, for example, you're doing masters, and there are a lot of like jobs which are college first. So for example, a lot of companies have their like ambassador programs in colleges, campus influencers, events managers for students inside of the campus, like some paid internships, some part-time jobs designed specifically for that college or campus. And this is the app primarily for that and some other job opportunities. So I didn't know that actually when you create an account, you can find, for example, Claude ambassador for the campus. So this is Anthropic Claude, one of the top AI models, and they just want to have their own ambassador on college campus, and they will pay you like 1,750 per semester. So yeah, this is not like a full-time job. This is not like you will get that per day, per month. No, this is for the full semester. Probably you will need to organize few events as a student, but there you have it. Eureka app, creator, snap calorie, then you are just influencer. And then, for example, some of this app where you need to create content creator, content ambassador, creator, some of these things where you're just creating, claim creator, make viral TikToks, $3,000 per month. You can see it in here. So that's basically the idea. MGPs, so bunch of apps, not only for colleges, but also like creators in here. So
there,
again, you can start verified creator. Create your TikTok account, pick username, write a bio, profile pic, privacy settings. And then, so basically there is a nice tutorial in here how you can earn these badges. Then you can see trending gigs. Then you can see messages.
We are so excited to introduce
and you can see your applications, interviews, groups, contracts.
Simple.
And then you can see your profile.
Content creator or top brand ambassador,
so this is like you can edit it.
The Badges system
I don't know how to get it.
Duolingo style course that helps you level up your creator skills fast. It's super easy to complete with bite-sized lessons you can knock out anytime. Finish the course and you'll unlock priority access to better high-paying jobs, special attention from top employers, and more cash.
So yeah, something like that. You can get it. Yeah, it's a bit glitchy, as you can see. I don't know why it's glitches out a bit. So yeah, you can just tap. You can add your post as skills, work experience, some other things. But that's basically the idea. Probably it's a bit overloaded right now. But there you have it. That's kind of the app which you can try. Quite good reviews. Some of them obviously are fake in here. I don't know. A lot of apps right now, they have super fake reviews, but quite high in the charts still. Try it out.